As Powell says, very much by view, we need to act forthrightly and strongly on inflation. Need to keep going until we get the job done. Powell says, my message is that the Fed has and accepts responsibility for stability.
What's going on, everybody? Guess I forgot to hit the full screen. That's not exactly what we wanted. What about this pixie chart, man? It's nuts. Oh man, park and all. Oh. Oh, God. No.
Ellen Mullen acquires controlling interest in EV truck innovator Bollinger Motors. Purchase price is $148.2 million in cash and stock for a 60% controlling interest. That's Micro Uniform, name in November.
Sick of this dog. He fucking made me bleed. He like bit the top skin of my foot. Fucking dog. God, it hurt.
Powell says labor market demand is still very strong. Wages are running at elevated levels.
I still haven't been able to fix the problem with OBS, so I'm just going to leave it on my middle chart. If I get into multiple trades, I mean, I don't really know what to do. And I can try to use my stream deck to go back and forth, but I'd rather concentrate on the trades. Gold? What's up, Huron, by the way? Gold Eagles. Gold as in the ticker? What about it? If that's what you're talking about. Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, Vincenzo. Really hurt. He like pierced my foot with his tooth. This Pixie's a crazy one. You weren't in any of this and you played this one though. It was pretty nice. 25.50 all the way to 22. Pretty nice move.
We're all waiting to pay and do all that sort of shit. He was bitching that he lost, and some dude just goes, "Dude, look at your fucking shirt, you moron."
You mean that wasn't a good idea?
And did you look at yourself in the mirror before you walked into court?
Yeah.
Good morning.
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 You sound frustrated.
Vash, you get to figure out what we were talking about based on the memes. You get to figure.
Let's see. It's Vitali. I remember him. What the heck is this cat doing? So you guys were talking about eating ass, obviously.
Close.
But no,
who was
licking
who is licking whose ass?
it's very specific.
Oh, got up to DT's picture. That's an interesting one. Let's see. I honestly have no idea. I feel like I'm missing context for who.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
like
you
Brad said.
are. I mean,
Hey, how are
it's
ya?
Brad the Baker, but
Good. Thank you. Take care.
oh, DT. I don't like that one.
I've seen that one before. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's common. So this is very common too.
Oh, I gotta look at this again.
Oh God, dude, that is so disgusting. I have to delete it. I can't tolerate seeing that, bro. Yeah, I had fun times in my office this morning, dude. My computer wouldn't freaking load up.
I have fun times in my office too. My dog bit my foot and pierced it and Drew blood and everything.
The new one?
Yeah. My old one
No,
doesn't
the
even
dead
have
one.
teeth. Yeah, my old one doesn't even have teeth.
Mine
Morning,
all of a
AJ.
sudden said that my PIN was no longer available when I tried to log in. And I'm like, okay. So I couldn't figure out how to get in.
I know what it was.
Did I get hacked?
Yeah, TradingView, when you made that account, they hacked you.
But I knew it. I'm deleting that.
Oh, fast.
I think it was, I don't think it was them. I think it was Market Frog.
Ah, yeah, definitely.
I think he's in here hacking my computer. Thomas isn't here, apparently.
It's having internet issues.
Is he?
Yeah. He posted it.
Oh, I didn't see that. I saw Fun Times at the Office.
You didn't trade Pixie to the long side, Devin?
Me? No, dude. I debated on it at like 19, but that was like right when I kind of got in here and just wasn't prepared.
I thought you would have been in at like, what is this, 20, like through the break of 21 back up, that area.
Yeah, I mean, at that point, I went to say goodbye to the family.
Yeah.
That just didn't work out. That's kind of hard to take him way the hell up here, too, man. Like, that's a crazy move. Spy's kind of coming down. Rivian's coming down.
Not really looking like it's going to be an interesting morning.
Yeah, it's looking like a rough start, to be honest. CHPT, I'm going to have up.
Except for the
Just
tetanus
in
shot you gotta
case.
go get.
Why?
Wouldn't that be rabies?
That's gotta-
Smalley. Oh, from his dog
Whatever, isn't it?
attacking him.
Rabies,
He's
tetanus.
got,
I mean, you gotta
he's
get
got
something.
his shots. He has his shots. He gave me. I feel like what he did to me was worse than a shot. Literally, like his freaking tooth. They're so sharp when they're puppy teeth.
Yeah, those puppy teeth. Yeah, they fucking suck, dude. I remember that.
And they think it's funny.
They do, and they just keep doing it. It's like you yell at them or whatever.
Mine's big now, and he still bites me occasionally to get my attention. Like he bit my ass the other day.
What's wrong with that? I think it's funny.
Yeah, I thought it was funny too.
What's with all the
Uh,
ass biting and licking today? What the hell?
What? That my dog bit my ass?
How to get your stream demonetized in 3 simple steps.
Wow, you should know better. Did
Nah,
put
that's
that in
being
the equation
funny.
when you're like, oh, I'm gonna go back to YouTube. Oh fuck, my room's
Then
getting
you-
demonetized.
And then you're like, wait, no, Steve's coming back into the room. That's not gonna work out.
I don't monetize
Back
my
to
streams
Twitch.
anyway. That was actually another, believe it or not, that was one of the reasons I wanted to come back, because I knew that I didn't have to worry about monetization. Like on Twitch, you got to worry about what you show, what you say.
Really?
Oh yeah, yeah. People on Twitch get banned all the time for stupid
like
stuff.
A free freaking. That was a free
Did
for
you
all.
put
It is to an
did you put
extent.
your did you put your OnlyFans link up?
No. I only sent that to you, Steve.
Everyone else gets it for free. I gotta pay. Damn it!
No,
But it's
no.
worth it.
You're the
it's
only
worth
one that
it. I'm
gets it.
Boys, prepare your buttholes. We have
3 minutes.
2 minutes.
3 minutes
and
till the
30
market
seconds.
is trash.
Mullen. Automotive
Until the
shares
market
trading
is
at
trash.
ENVX
9:58
is
Eastern
making
Time.
a move
Regeneron
on
shares
0
trading
volume.
At 9:58
I got
That'll be like that other
ASAN
trade.
up. Jag, you might want to keep that one up today. ASAN, nice gap
Regeneron.
up.
announcing the primary endpoint
What is
was
it?
met in their
ASAN, ASAN, Asan.
Of course it is.
MULN Mullen
Of course it is.
announced the
Just runs with
acquisition
today's theme.
of a
Yeah,
controlling
ENVX
interest in
makes no
Bollinger
sense at
Motors.
all.
Yeah, look at the spread. It's only 60 cents.
Because there's no value.
Vash, Vash, you should definitely get in that and be in there for like 20 minutes and then tell us you're in it like you were for ACVA yesterday.
Well, I should have never been in that.
RIVN came all the way back down.
I'm
Somebody
assuming
should've
with
jumped
what
on
the
that.
SPY is doing, we are not going to get a very exciting open.
SPY's not doing much of anything right now. I mean, a little bit of a pullback, but I mean, that's nothing compared to what it's
See,
been doing.
run is up as well.
Goes up.
Had a pretty
I'm
beast
gonna watch the
move yesterday.
CHPT as it's
A
kind of
run's-
gapping down.
Run's literally following the SPY. Well, the reason I even looked at run was because CHPT usually moves with it.
Okay. I think CHPT might drop back down to that 14-ish area again.
Yeah, I remember you saying that yesterday.
So, figure I'll keep it up. I got an alert set below 1569. It's kind of like the area where it falls every single time it gets down there. See if it does it today. 1430-ish.
Treat me like a
I'll see
pirate
today.
and give me that booty. Pirate booty.
20 seconds, people. 20 seconds.
God, the fact that that's like my main watch is really fucking sad. Oh, shit. 'Cause it ain't that
Feds
impressive.
Powell says would not want to see the current mandate narrowed or broadened. U.S. markets are open.
And look, everybody.
Mhm.
I just dropped another $1. Got it.
Something just set off an alert. Why I don't even fucking see it? What's going on right now?
Was it run?
Yep, it had to
I
be.
don't know. Oh, it was this fucking CHPT. I had the wrong alert. Sorry. It was supposed to be bump bump down, and it did not do that.
I had more volume.
Yeah, I was hoping for a little bit more being the first candle. Volume kind of sucks still there.
PDD's going up.
So Pixie's doing exactly what the one ticker was, it plug that one day where I tried to long it out of the gate. Watch, today will be the time where I want to do it and don't, and it'll go to $50.
Look at PDD. Damn.
What, PDD?
Yeah.
Is that doing
Quite the
something
move.
impressive?
Off the bottom.
Fucking hey, man. They basically
Heard
got
of
heat exhaustion
parlay.
yesterday. That was fun. GDD running up into resistance again. Keep this.
FCX, but I think we already missed it.
Rivian pushing up a little bit. CHPT looking just like PDD for some reason. Both of them just kind of pushing up.
Never heard of this RLA, RLAY.
Pulled that up a second ago.
I want to look at it. Not an interesting gap. Volume's a little shitty, yeah.
RLAY.
Autofilled.
CPRX.
Good.
It's got no volume either.
Nibbled as well.
Should have been in run. That's the one it should have been.
Are you in? Yeah.
Took a nibble in the RLA.
This is
Order cancelled.
Tried to get an ad at the top there. I hit it right as it dropped.
I just can't trade this thing. I'm almost trying to, but it's low volume.
Yeah, volume's not great.
Yeah, I
I'm
wanted
agreeing with you on it.
S&P
I wanted
futures
CPRX,
falling
but
here
didn't have
after
the
the
volume.
open.
It hit 1560 and said, "Oh, goodbye,"
Dow
and dropped
Jones
40 cents.
down 224
I
points.
can't take it, dude. I can't take
S&P
it. I can't
500
take it. I
down
can't take it.
28.48. Nasdaq Composite down 100.40.
ASAN is dying.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's one that I kind of lost track of.
Order
On at
cancelled.
2150, 2140.
Order
Oh,
filled.
fuck. It's totally dying.
There was no reason to get in.
Yeah. It didn't really set up nice either. Volume's kind of poopy everywhere, though. Pixie making a move. Is it halted?
Yes.
Yep.
And INM was halted, just halted too, but that doesn't look that great.
I don't know, man.
PIXY,
On my
Shift
hands,
Pixie
I doth
halted on the
sit.
circuit breaker.
There's
INM
LFST,
index,
but again, no
halted on the
volume.
circuit breaker. Shift Pixie shares at 26.34. The
LFST
intraday high.
36 KTB. Pass.
Popping
Billy,
the
but it's off the
Yankee.
bottom.
INM halted at
RLAY starts.
$11.16, up 26%. Indian November Michael.
RVNC, but I don't really like it.
Good morning, huh?
Yeah.
Supercomputer keeps fucking up. Can't take this.
RVNC can get through 25, but it's not going.
RLAY dollar on way.
Spread.
What is it?
RVNC.
No. Sorry. I
Well,
just beat it.
Get the pop through 25
Maybe get interesting.
after not above there.
Having chest pains. I think I'm having a heart attack.
I have those every day.
Oh.
Send and no volume.
Would suck? No
MRS
volume. I don't want to. I probably don't want to see it.
125,000. Not moving.
Yeah, I really don't want to see that.
APRN. APRN.
April. Fuck, I hate that sucks so much, man. PRN?
APRN.
We don't have any shares on it.
I fucking hate it anyways. Is that one you're in, Tim, or we're in? I don't know if it's
Arlay.
still in, I assume.
Blew up.
Volume ever come into that bullshit?
A little bit. Kind of just looking for the exit, to be honest.
First lawsuit filed against the U.S. Treasury Department for its decision to sanction the cryptocurrency Tornado Cash.
I think I'm gonna take my so far good day and just hold on to it. I just lost internet again.
Coinbase funding lawsuit brought by 6
Are you
people.
kidding me?
Oscar, India, November.
I got it back right at the bell and got everything up and running. I've taken 2 trades. I'm green on the day, but then I was in
APR and
relay,
NTB.
and as I was setting my range order up, it went out again.
So are you in it?
No, I got all out. I had my range order set, but I was trying to adjust it when I lost internet.
ASAN, big push.
See it?
Like bigger than expected there. SPY doing that. The market's so shitty.
Order filled.
So you got out of that RLA green?
Order
India
cancelled.
XY, Shift Pixie.
Just took
resuming.
half right there.
Papa India X-Ray
I
Yankee.
was talking to Thomas with his internet issues.
Yeah, I got out green.
Okay, good job, man.
2781. That's PIXY.
Always freaking fun.
Order cancelled.
PIXY leaking it out.
Order filled.
I got no trades.
RLAY dollar.
This fucking ASAN's going ham.
INM, InMed, resuming trade. India, November, Michael. Here is moving lower, $10.08, up 14.5%. There's a blue apron spiking to the high, $7.22.
Just got out of APRN.
Romeo, November. PIXY, Shift Pixie halted again on a circuit breaker. 2430, moving lower now. That's Papa India X-Ray Yankee.
RLAY
Powell
LNT.
says unbacked cryptocurrencies have not offered much in terms of public interest for payments.
Get out green on that, Jay?
Yeah.
Says it's a speculative
The heck is
asset.
going on?
Yep.
Must have been quick.
Well, I had three ads. And then it
Okay.
dropped down under 705, so my average was, the hell was it?
Somewhere above 705.
Yeah. I wasn't
Actually.
great win, but if it did that drop, I just didn't trust it.
Yeah.
And I was hoping it would pop under 7, but it was playing. ASN, AM.
Yeah, I had that one for a green watch today, and then it did what it did, and
Dollar and LNT.
it's doing what it's doing, and
Powell
I'm
says
kind of like,
something
I
that
don't know.
purports to be money ought to be regulated.
THPT is spiked up big too.
Hey, yo. Could have been interesting, but it's SSR.
Yeah, I saw that in pre-market.
PDD's back to high a day, basically. So is charge point.
I know.
You still in our late, Tim?
Just leftovers. Just trying to trail him.
Hopefully it just dies on you. It's under at least 31.
Yeah, if it gets under 31, I'm gonna
Bitcoin,
probably try to hold it
futures
until
popping here.
29. It stops right above that 3168 candle.
Yeah.
19,145.
Put up here for now.
Push.
IMRA 631 KTB.
You're gonna get shorts on IMRA, right?
Run is ripping.
Well, I just went up, what, 250?
Run is ripping.
Yeah, probably just like Charge Point. Actually, Charge Point.
It's
was
weird
better.
that we have shares on IMRO. We were out of them all day yesterday.
Order filled.
All out of RLA.
Stop
All
you.
out RLAY.
Yeah.
CHPT and run look the same. Twinsies. Spy is ripping.
Blue, yeah. Plug's
I'm
way up
off the
too.
bottom, but
Plug's doing the same thing as
Eh.
running. Point.
yeah, those are all tied, man.
Yeah. Lift
Kind of
is,
watching this ASAN, I guess. I don't know, man. I'm kind of
Lift is
sure
doing
what to
the
do.
same thing.
OYFT?
Yeah, it's going up.
Lift?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Shit.
Well, it was
What's
over.
Uber doing?
Blue
Now
looking
it's
for
just playing now.
7.50-ish.
Uber's doing the same thing with not as impressive boy. Lyft is kind of interesting, huh? Not
I
anymore.
wanted it
Not anymore.
already under 15. I wanted to go back over 15. I was going to get in.
Yeah, by the time I pulled it up, it was under.
Oh, that's
under
off the
there.
bottom too, though. That's fucking cracky.
Lyft getting a pop here. Some chatter,
Yeah.
unconfirmed chatter circulating.
Unconfirmed chatter.
Circulating. Don't forget, circulating. Wouldn't be a big deal if it wasn't circulating, but the fact that it's circulating.
PIXY, shift Pixie,
Spy going straight up.
resumes.
That's making a move. DT, what'd Pal say?
Chatter of possible chatter.
That's what Pal said?
Froggy's just making fun of Charlie.
The lift just went back up 15.
What's up, Looney? Good morning.
Lift up.
This ace hand's a scary one. What went up to what?
Lift went over 15, but then now it's back down. I'm glad I got out of APRN when I did.
Yeah, that's why. I said,
CZO,
man, that
go,
must
go,
have been
go.
quick because when I pulled it up, there was only that one red candle. I'm like, oh, I did. You definitely got out there.
Order filled.
There's nowhere else in the chart for you to exit.
Nibble.
Ay.
Just put a little bit on lift. And then out real quick.
I wanted it,
Order
but I'm
filled.
so freaking hesitant.
Yeah,
Dollar,
wait,
dollar.
you're in that.
I know none of you take penny stocks, so I didn't even bother calling it.
Oh, Sizu.
Yeah.
Ooh, under $1. Penny.
It's a nice move.
Twitter on a pop.
It's funny though, seeing something like Sizu move makes me realize I want nothing to do with run. It's like, oh, that's the speed I'm looking for.
That first minute candle on run was nice.
Well, yeah, I actually had saw that. I just didn't act on it. Oh, I was looking. Yeah, I remember saying I wanted just a little bit more. Be in the first candle.
Roblox is running too.
Well, unless I'm like Sizu, do you start it with 1,000?
I started
2,000? What do you
with
do?
300.
Oh.
Just in case. It
I
actually
think I
had
need-
10 cents to the halt. If it was closer to the halt, I probably started with more.
You gotcha.
Damn.
Under set.
RBLX. Ooh.
A little bit more. Still get it. Now I think I want 42 though.
That's another one. Looks just like Run almost.
RBLX up.
Look at pins. Pins is off the bottom, but it's up.
You guys didn't even see Sizu. Sorry.
All
Had it on the
freaking
top
days
chart.
for my net to give me issues.
Snap. Jesus.
Shares of Lyft
What?
continuing to spike here.
Snap.
Up about
Is that one
4.5%.
and
Some
two?
unconfirmed chatter circulating
Yeah.
on social media.
Straight up.
And shares responding to that now, up right now about 80 cents, $15.51.
Order filled.
Snap. Lift.
Snap stressing you out over there, Thomas?
Just a little bit, dude. I'm a little fuming right now.
And this is like your guys' day freaking. For sure. I'm not really enjoying this.
Tenfold, dude. I am. My blood pressure's up.
REGN
afraid to trade any of
Regeneron
it?
resuming trade after a news halt from Echo Golf November.
If I
Regeneron
can't get my ads, I'm screwed.
shares hitting $690,
Yeah, they
up
can fuck you
$2,
pretty quick too.
up $88 right now on that.
I debated on
Bond
RBLX. I didn't take it
reported
though. I
by the
wanted a little
company
more.
earlier.
Did you take that,
But in
Jag?
primary
No.
endpoints met
I wanted more
I
too.
just wanted
in
through
their charts
42.
for DMA and WAM.
Order
I was like,
filled.
it's so close. Just go through 42.
Echo Golf November, $690.
Carrot
the
through
high.
16 would
Right
be
now, up
great.
about 15%. MULN,
Lip
Mullen
nibble.
Automotive, resuming as well, up 15% on that acquisition news. That's Michael Uniform Lima November.
Order filled.
Then snap.
PIXY, Shift Pixie resuming, shares pulling back here.
I'm in Lyft as well.
SHPH, Shuttle Pharma shares resuming, moving higher, 37.58.
Of course, Roblox is the one that's working.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess so. I guess I should have got in that one. I just wanted to get over 42.
App's going straight the
Order
hell up.
filled.
Everything's going straight up. Except for Roblox.
I just hit the wrong button on fucking snap. I meant to add and I covered it. Got out.
Ah,
Order cancelled.
that sucks, man.
And now it's gonna fucking come.
I joined frickin' Tim in this lift. We'll see if this works out.
This might take profit there by 2 cents, fucker. Come on.
I need this down to
Order
1550, so
What's your average?
a little bit.
Order cancelled.
1594. God, I can't see.
That's what
that
my
shit. I
average
need to
is. Get out of here.
Dang, missed
Would've
add
been
up
even
top
right
relift.
now. Or maybe I showed my green.
Put my glasses on for that fucking red riding.
Order
dude.
filled.
Jesus. I seriously can't read that shit. There it goes. At 1593.5.
Alright, guys, I keep forgetting.
Lift dollar on
POST.
way.
Waiting for a little more on lift right now.
Yeah, I got my final take profit at 55.
Carrot.
Yeah, I'd like it down 50 at least.
Carrot. Carrot LNT.
JWN Nordstrom executive says rational to believe that in 2023 can see company getting back to 2019 promotional levels.
CZO
Order
no got
cancelled.
some locks will be LNT in a sec.
Order filled.
If not,
Took another half
Can't
there
go.
and put the rest, or put a stop at break even.
I didn't take half there, but I
Finally,
bottom
I was
ticked
talking about
the
half of
last
my
one pretty
leftovers.
much. I'm not really on leftover. Well, I'm half size.
Wish I kept watching.
I don't know what I'm really looking for here.
I did jump in left. I'm rotting leftovers right now.
ALNY up.
Nice, joining the party.
Whoa, ALNY. No volume, but the thing's straight up moving dollars.
Yes, it is.
Snap never really pulled back.
Yeah, I know. It kind of sucks. Still in that.
Oh, you're in that too?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you got in it. I mean, Jag was in it and covered accidentally.
I wish I covered accidentally. Couldn't still be in it.
SHLS looks nice if it had volume.
Because I can't believe I'm a guy that needs to put glasses on to see shit. What the fuck happened to me?
Someone's getting old.
I know, it's fucking lame. I don't feel it yet. Like, I don't feel like I am, but then there's things I'm like, well, that's not what young people do.
I don't think you ever really feel old until you're ancient.
You're old.
IMR $1.
Funny, we go to the Starbucks every Saturday, and it's all young kids in there, you know, and they all know us now. It's like, Debbie, hey, yeah, talking to dog. Then we pull away, and we're like, I feel like we're their age, but we're not.
Who would be the type to go to Starbucks? Sorry.
Americanos, man.
I wanted to add there so
all
bad.
I get at Starbucks is an Americano. I don't drink Frappuccinos or any of that bullshit.
I'm just gonna look to get out because I would have been.
ALNY
Honestly, I
dollar.
like the burnt taste of
ALNY
fucking
cha-ching.
Starbucks' espresso, so sue me.
All out of lift.
I probably should be, but I am not.
Yeah, I'm just leaving my leftovers at break even. It'll probably come and get them just because.
I'm saying that because your break even and my break even, dick face. So shut the fuck up. Talk about your own trades, but if I'm in it, you can't do it.
Blue dollar on way.
I'm gonna need positive parry, not negative Nick.
CZO trail.
Order
no lock there
cancelled.
He's
yet.
not a girl, so I'm making him negative Nick.
I think you can still be a man and be a negative Nancy.
I guess. Is positive parry a thing? I think I made that up too. Oh, bitch.
Ukraine's Zelensky says Blinken visit to Kyiv on
I don't even know what
Thursday
I'm
is
looking
an
for. Maybe
important signal.
Ruby
1525?
1.20 ish PLS.
End of UM. $15.88 gets me out of this. So.
ALNYLNT.
There we go. Here it comes, Tim.
Let's do it. I'm sitting at 52.
NBIX new Investors Business Daily leaderboard position. That's November Bravo India X-ray. Shares of Neurocrine Biosciences spiking to a high of 108.49 now, 107.60, up about 2% now. That's November Bravo India X-ray NBIX.
Lift out most, LNT.
Snap
Really
starting
likes-
to roll, huh?
Yeah, I'd really like it to at least come down and just let me get out of this. I don't want to be in it anymore.
What's your average?
15.
12, 15?
Yeah.
Nah, this thing's getting annoying. Lift, if it goes back above 78, is going to cut me. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I'm out. I'm not trying to. Oh god, dude, I can't
Blue
figure out my
LNT.
damn glasses. Shit, I'm slipping away. What are you watching, Jaggy Pants?
BBIO.
What is it?
BBIO. There's no volume.
bio.
There's no volume.
I haven't heard that one in a minute.
It's over 10 again.
I don't remember what it was at, dude, to be honest.
It's so funny too because I didn't want to
That
start
was
this
not
one with 100
the one that I
shares. Something was telling me
wanted, but
not
it's
to.
okay.
Just
Yeah.
because I know it
Bio
always
has
freaking
200,000 of
grinds.
volume, bro.
$40.
But was
ADP
looking to make
Purist
that quick
expanded
little buck on the retest of
connected
12,
brewer
and
line. That's
I missed
Kilo
my
Delta
ad,
Papa.
which kind of screwed me.
What the fuck caused all this shit to jump up? Or what the freak, or whatever we're supposed to say.
IMRA out all.
APDN Applied DNA Sciences and Cornell University Veterinary Medicine announced research collaboration.
EDD has just decided to hang out towards the highs, but not breaking above.
ASAN's almost back to high a day.
That's Alpha Papa Delta
ASAN.
November.
I
It
don't
looks
even know
like
why I
shit.
play Snap. It's such an algo-driven
Dude,
ticker.
I believed in that one in pre-market, and now I just am having trouble doing anything with it. I have an alert set on that one if it gets above
Like lift, stop me
23.85.
out.
APRN, I should just take off my chart because that sucks.
PDD is no longer hanging out behind there.
Oh, it just dropped.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All out lift.
PDD has become a very difficult trader.
Yes. Because there's no logic to what it's doing.
Yeah, I mean, it had it for a minute there, and I didn't actually trade it when it did. When it was up here in this range from 68.50 to 73, it was beautiful. Now that it's below, it's like, I don't know what the fuck it does. Probably should have shorted it. 68.40.
Just come get me out. I just want to be out.
Those are hard
Come
ones to hold on to.
Come on.
CHPT. It's coming down
At
off
least
the
give me
highs.
my average. Bounce right off of it.
Pretty fast.
Samesies.
Don't buy it back up. Don't show strength. Come on. Come back down towards 12.
Too big to let it go to highs.
Come on, back under 20.
Order cancelled.
I'll take half.
Order filled.
Just doesn't. Just in case it wants to rip back up. It's obviously trying to hold here. This will also allow me to hold a little bit more going down.
Hey,
It's almost like taking
how
half
many
for
shorts do we
profit,
have on
but
CHPT? If you
just,
could
I
look
didn't
that
get
up since you're on
the
trading. Sorry.
300k.
Thanks, Vesh. Did you get in this?
No.
But I saw that's just kind of lower than I normally like to see.
That's coming down to you, Tim.
Yeah, I already took half off for a loss because it felt like it was basing there. I'm kind of annoyed I didn't get my ad, but I was trading lift at the same time, so just missed it.
Oh my god! I'll be right back. Okay.
There's a ton of volume going through right here, and it's not moving.
Yep. I want snap.
Yeah.
Is there news on Snap? Does somebody know anything?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see. I'll look for you. Let's see if there's any reason that's even up here. Or if it's just a bullshit pop.
some billionaire is selling 10 stocks. I
No,
think.
that doesn't matter shit.
Well, it shouldn't, but who the fuck knows? 10 hours ago, Snap CEO sees challenges in executing turnaround drive.
I don't see anything that's driving this up, dude.
No.
It's just the market pop for some reason. Maybe tech's up. See what Meta's doing. Looks exactly like Snap. They're just following each other, bro. I think I'm probably gonna come down. Meta looks weak as fuck.
Deputy Treasury Secretary Adeyemo asked about
SPWR.
complimentary U.S. sanctions on Russia. Says U.S. will put in
SPWR?
place price cap by
Yeah, maybe if we
December
got through 30.
That
I mean,
from
not 30
Yahoo
through 28.
interview.
Watching stupid CHPT again. ASAN, that might break.
Guess I should cancel my order on Ruby, huh?
Order cancelled.
Forgot it was even there.
Snap popping right now? A little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Look at the meta chart. You're just following that. Snap is following Facebook.
It's about to take me out.
Order filled.
I'm out.
Alright, brother. Sucks when it's just following something else too. It's just bullshit, you know?
Out of snap for the L.
ASAN.
Yep.
Hi, buddy. Part of me wants to be an
GFS
ace hand,
basically
man, but
NTB.
I'm having trouble pulling the trigger.
Why do I keep clicking fucking buttons? I gotta go. I was
What?
in PWR, and I don't know why. I mean, it broke out even, but I don't know what the fuck I'm clicking. I'll be back.
Did Jake just leave?
Sounded like he was pretty upset about something that he did.
He said he got out even. He said he just missed clicking buttons. You watching, Tim?
Nothing. I'm just trying to not revenge trade snap. Take it off my chart so I can't even look at it.
I'm back.
I just know it's going to eventually test 12 and it's going to piss me off.
BNTC up.
I knew you couldn't be that mad if you got out even. I'm like, come on, Jack.
Tough one ATM.
I don't even know what the fuck I was doing.
Just click the wrong button.
Yeah. I didn't even click any button. That's what makes it even worse.
You didn't click a
Holding.
button?
I clicked that I got out, even, but I knew it was going to do this because now it's going down. Because I was in at 28.14. Now it's under 28.
Oh, you ace-hand, you little piece of shit. Why can't you just fucking cooperate with me?
Yeah, we'll wait for some volume there.
This fucking thing. Exactly what I wanted it to do.
Getting frustrated with this ace-hand. What
SHPH
stock were you
halted
talking about?
SPWR.
at the highs.
I was in at 28.14.
Hotel Papa
And
Hotel.
it went down to 27.80 something.
There'll be more, man. Patience, patience, patience.
I don't even know why I was antsy to push a button. Shouldn't even have been over there.
Order filled.
Happens, man. It happens.
Order filled.
$109K there.
That looks like a freaking annoying ass trade, but so does every other
Don't
chart that I
remember
look
what
at.
it was at when I pulled it up.
I think we go lift.
Hey, pull up LFST and tell me if you see a gap in the last candle. Or if my chart's just fucked up.
LFST?
Yes.
It's not even showing me a last
chart.
price.
I don't even see a chart.
What's the stock?
LFST.
Oh, there it
I have
is.
a chart.
There it is. Yeah,
Oh, you know
yeah, I don't see a gap.
okay, it just
LFST or LFFT?
okay. They can't. The rest,
LFS.
yeah, the rest of the chart just loaded. Okay.
Linda Fancies. Zucky Tango.
Yeah, and it is sucky. It looked better when it had the jump.
You
Candle.
like the gap?
Yeah, the gap. It looked a lot better.
I like the gap that it had. That looked cool.
Yeah, I don't see any gap.
Because it was like from 830 to 872. The gap. I'm like, oh, if that happened in one candle, that's.
Ruby back up.
But it did not.
Oh shit! Yeah, but I feel like I could be having a heart attack. I'm not sure. I'm not really having a heart attack. I think I have to burp. Fucking A-Sand, dude.
SLVM, Silvamo, November 45 call sweep, Sandy Lima, Victor, and Michael.
What are you watching, Jack?
I got ASAN, APRN. APRN looks like crap.
Yeah. APRN could run. We'd have to long it on our end, but SHPH, that's halted.
That's a new
Oh,
one.
Tim, you? No, I don't think you want to watch
That was
this.
only this is on like day 5 or 6.
No, we don't have shorts. It's SSR. That's a lot of fun things.
That's a nice jump though.
Yeah. Z is up, kind of big. Zilla.
Yeah. Charts are
Looks shitty.
BNTC, Benetech, Pharma
Ooh, what's
resuming
the
trade now. Bravo November Tango
BNTC?
Charlie.
it looks like shit too.
Shares at 87 cents, up 48%.
BNTC under $1 stock 10. Halted up.
BNTC
Yesterday, the company
open.
reported that they got a letter from the NASDAQ that they did not meet the minimum bid price requirement. That's Bravo November Tango Charlie.
Fucking A, dude.
Shares basically gone. 1.30 plus orders in Ruby. And BNTC HTB.
Order cancelled.
Market is hard to make money in.
If it was easy, everyone would do it.
Yeah, I like the
Order
easier
filled.
days. I don't want like easy, but I want like just more.
You listen to
Crazy.
YouTube, it's called easy money.
Yeah, that's what they say.
$5K, no zero. LOL.
Spy
There's a
ripping.
new guy apparently can make $4,000 or $5,000 in this market every day.
Spy making a big move.
Bias.
Yep.
Yeah.
High day.
X is making a move up. That looks like shit.
AMR.
US power is back up at the highs. Jaggy pants.
What one is?
Your
PRTY,
S-Power,
Party City,
SPWR.
moving here now, $2.36. 2.5%. Papa Romeo Tango Yankee. BNTC Benetech shares spiking
Sand
to
back
$1,
on the way down.
up 72%. Bravo November Tango Charlie.
SBK's up, but it looks like crap. And I've never seen a float as big as that one.
It's stuck.
OPK. It looks like
That has a huge float.
390, like 438 million.
UBER
I love that you're
Uber,
trying to like
September,
understand the
$33
float. You're
call
like,
action. Uniform
It's a-
Bravo
it's a
it's
lot
Echo
of
Zulu
numbers.
UBER.
It's a bigger number than I'm used to.
I don't know how to say that one.
Fucking A, man.
Order filled.
Arms up a bit. So is the spies. It's a little scary
SRNE up.
because it's exactly following the spy.
Needs more.
Hey, PDD is back up at the highest, guys. I just did that one because Thomas is like, it's no longer at the highest. I'm like, it's back to the highest. Choppy motherfuckers.
Lift approaching highs.
I'd like to take our thought.
Stop looking your nuts.
Can't stop, won't stop.
Licking his nuts.
Yep.
Say affirm, Jack?
Yeah, but following the spy.
Order cancelled.
PDD at the
FUBO
highest.
75 KTB.
PDD over the highs!
Pins is over the highs.
That's how I feel.
AMC 490K.
Are you long snap, Tim?
No.
Well, he is. He's green. Covered for some green.
Him long snap?
Working. He's making back all the money he lost on the short.
Go, boy.
Order filled.
I'm all out there on it.
I'm gonna take it off so I don't revenge trade it. Okay, I'm long at it.
I
Oh,
took
there
it
you go.
off. I took it off the streaming screen. I may not have taken it off my screen.
Lord God.
That was actually my second attempt at longing it. That's funny.
Oh my God.
It worked.
Devin, I'm done for the day. Oh, here's my next trade.
Oh, that was definitely a Devin
Dude, I
type
haven't
scenario.
had that in so long, bro. I miss
Yeah, it's
those
been a while.
days. Every time I'm done, I'm actually fucking done. And I'm like,
Yeah,
lying
until
on
you
the
hear
couch
Charlie
'cause I
say
can't make-
something, then you...
shit. I can't make money.
I think it's
Watching
more like,
PDD.
there's money to be made, and I'm not doing it.
I feel like there hasn't been a lot of money to be made, unfortunately.
I don't know. Trades like Snap, it just annoys me that it's like I feel like I know exactly what it's trying to do, and that I don't at least try to do something about it. And I don't know. That was one of those ones where, yeah, it was a revenge trade, but at the same time, it was like I could feel it was going to do exactly what it ended up doing. And I was watching the overall market as well to make sure it confirmed what I thought it was going to do.
And it did.
And it did. It took 2 tries, but the fact that it took 2 tries also shows you that I was willing. It was either a right or right out type trade for me. I wasn't willing to let that go silly.
When you were wrong, you got out.
Yeah.
I get you. You weren't playing your normal game of I'm gonna add.
No, definitely not. That was either it goes now because it looks like the spy's trying to go, or I'm out. And the first time it didn't. The spy actually tried to go the first time, and Snap didn't even budge. So I was like, all right, peace. Oh, what's Ruby doing?
Ooh. Lifted with fucking
PA
like
Boeing,
falling straight up.
Poland announced that Boeing's
Ruby going crazy.
AH-64 Apache
Order cancelled.
has been
Ruby,
selected for,
Soho.
KRUK attack helicopter program.
SSR and Chief.
That's
Nope.
Bravo Alpha.
I'm trying. I tried to get filled 135M, followed it to 135, or 134. I mean, it's not. I can't get filled. Not sure I want to go to 133. Ooh, 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 come on, fill me, fill me,
It's going to get
fill me.
8
Nope.
like you.
Oh,
Oh, there's a lot of orders at 134. You think it would fill it?
Yes, Chief.
Order filled.
Yay, got filled.
Did you? Oh, there you go.
Nibble Ruby.
Guess I should have left it at 135.
You get in PDD?
Coming up, natural gas storage at 10:30. A build of 54 BCF is expected.
Me? You're talking to me, Jack?
Yeah.
I did not.
And now look at Snap. It's still at the highs and SPY's coming down. So now it's kind of just doing its own thing.
What is?
Snap. Saying SPY was pulling back and Snap wasn't.
And Meta's pulling back and Snap is not. Which Meta and Snap look like the same chart in the beginning of the day. I wonder if that means Snap's going to when it's delayed though, you know?
You guys have shorts on NEPT? This is for 10, not for you. You wouldn't take this.
Nept?
Yeah. If it can get
Looks like
back
I
up
do.
40 mark, it would be wild.
Says we got
I see one big red
276. I know, mine's
I
doing
see
that
one
too.
big red. Oh, you got that too? Okay.
NEPT,
It's got
Neptune
more than
Wellness.
NEPT miss.
That,
So it has more than this one big red candle?
Yes. Yes, it does.
That's all I see.
November Echo Papa Tango.
I'm gonna assume you're lying and it only has one big red candle.
Forest Remedies, product now available
Now it has
There it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's back up.
at CBS.com.
I took it off. I just didn't want to watch
That's
the one
November
big
Echo
red candle
Papa
anymore.
There's popping on that news.
I am watching PDD here, Jag.
I'm watching it too, but I don't know what to do with that.
It's below. It's right below this previous
Order
support area,
cancelled.
which if it maintains
Order
as
filled.
resistance, I think that's probably
Ruby
high.
outmost.
It
Pennies.
seems like it's kind of following the SPY,
Ruby
but
dollar
not
dollar
really.
pennies.
I mean, but sometimes it's not. I don't know what it is.
BNTC out all.
Seems like the whole market's kind of like that today. That kind of looks like the SPY, but not really.
Normally doesn't even give a crap about the SPY.
PDD.
Yeah. PDD is kind of its own little animal.
Yeah, everything's being a dick. Did he call it its own little
Ruby took
enema
all.
or animal?
Animal.
I think I like calling it an enema more because I feel like it wants to give me an enema. It's like bend over. Oh, David. Oh yeah, it's in there. Nap looks like a pain in the ass. She's just hanging out there. Asan has turned into a total asshole today.
Yep.
Just going sideways.
Snap always does this. It's kind of why I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Piece of crap.
Does what? Just
It always
hangs out?
grinds. Yeah, it always just grinds. It's stupid. I don't even know why I play it
Run.
at all. I see Snap going high. I should just long it when it's at its highest because the odds are it's gonna stay there. Unless it's like a really intense move, but this was not a really intense move.
MEGL, Magic Empire, shares moving a bit here, $5.37. Michael Echo Golf Lima.
Fucking hey, dude.
I guess I should have shorted SPWR when it got back up to close to high a day. But I was too angry at it. Because it would have been good.
Build of 54 BCF
I'm attempting to go see a concert this weekend, guys.
Who?
on natural gas.
Motley
Ooh.
Crue,
Yeah.
Def Leppard,
That's in line with estimates.
Poison,
Yeah.
and Joan Jett.
Joan Jett.
Lord.
Yeah,
That would be worth going.
like
Are they
playing
cover
at folks'
bands?
home?
No, the real ones.
they,
The first one.
yeah, they're playing at the stadium,
I
dude.
don't know.
Their stadium tour.
Motley Crue's all fat as fuck. It's hilarious.
Dude, yeah, they are.
So is the cover band that plays around here.
This will definitely be probably the last time I'd see any of these bands. So I'm like, you know what? If I can get tickets for like $100, I'll go. Right now, for like decent tickets, they're trying to get $350 for them. Like, fuck that, dude. I ain't paying
Fuck
$700
that
to
shit.
go see that. Yeah, no fucking way.
Maybe in their
Huh?
prime for $350.
Yeah, dude, concerts are ridiculous now. Like they just fucking try to rape you.
Natural gas futures moving.
Well, I don't mind the
here
ticket prices. What sucks
right
is all
now,
the added
$8.02,
fees.
up 2% for the day.
Dude, $350 is insane price
Yeah,
to go
but
see that.
Is that through like Ticketron or whatever?
Seat
who-
Geeks.
Whoever does tickets nowadays, it always ends up being like around here, a ticket will be like $20, and there'll be like $30 in fees.
See how much I can get them on this one for.
Devin Looney said he's going to the that concert, so he was asking
In
if you were
Vegas?
going. Yeah, he lives in Vegas.
Who?
Guy from YouTube channel. His name's Looney.
Yeah, I don't know yet, man. I'm looking for tickets like closer to probably on Friday. I'll try to find a cheaper one.
Justin, you're not here today?
But
For
yeah,
some
I'm
reason,
probably
I
in
didn't
the
even
film.
notice. Oh, that's right, because you're
Probably
putting out your
cheaper
setup
tickets.
video
You just
today.
go as VIP, don't you?
No, I'm not even trying to do that on this one at all.
You did last time. I saw your VIP pass. I was like,
Yeah, this one I'm not looking for that.
Well, that's because what's his wife's dad
That
pays
was
for
for.
it.
No, we bought those tickets.
Hey,
We
son,
bought them
I just
from
want you to
them.
be part of the family. Here you go.
Wish you don't know Dean.
most people that have money are super stingy.
Dean's like, okay, the tickets are $350. Do you want me to order the parking for you? I can get it for $50, but it'll be $50. I'm like, sure.
Ruby back to the highs.
Yeah, my last real girlfriend had a
You got
stepdad
out
that
of
was
it. Yeah.
filthy rich and
Ruby
used to buy us dinner all the
200K.
time and then gripe about it all night.
Like he's. I mean, he'll do nice things, but you He expects you to contribute,
Snap's coming down.
which I'm cool with that. Not a money grabber. Damn, dude, to be right in front of the stage, $1,000.
Get to lick his ass to contribute.
Do I have? I've never licked Fiend's ass. No. He's maybe if he looked like Brad Pitt, but Dean could lose a few pounds.
Thomas, this is your time to shine.
I just I see the conversation over there, and then I've had net issues. The boss has been in my office 3 times since I had gotten those couple trades, so don't know if I'm missing anything. Wow, it's just been a wild day.
I was more so saying it was your time to say something about the Learning Center. Looney said, I'm from Teitch. Teitch. I have no idea how to pronounce that, Devin. Maybe you know of it.
Say it again.
Teitch. Teitch.
Teitch.
Yeah, that's where he said he's from. Oh, Twitch. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm an idiot. Right under that. So he's saying he's from Twitch, but now he's on YouTube. Duh. He said my tickets were 158, I think, over 225 after fees per ticket, and their average seats. The pricey ones were insane. Don't make fun of me, lady.
75 or so in fees. Fuck that shit.
Last time I at the Chili Peppers, I got the club seats, which they weren't priced, but then like the day of, I could have gotten box seats for $100. So I'm waiting till the day of to see if I can get box seats for $100.
Yeah, it's one of those. Oh, we can't fill the boxes. Let's just get rid of it.
And there you do get free food and free drinks still. So I'm like, fuck yeah, dude! If I can get in that box for $100 to go see him and eat and drink for free, I'll take that. And other than that, I'll just buy some shitty seats because I don't really need to be up front and close and personal with Motley Crue.
I would have loved to see them back in the day. I don't really care about them now.
They're really good back
then. It'd be fun just to
CSI
see him, I
consensus
guess. It's
clouds
just for
during conference.
nostalgia.
I get it. I
Intends
get
to
it.
reaffirm its full year
What is it, nostalgia?
2022 guidance previously issued in Q4 says earnings release.
I started watching that new Thor movie last
Q4
night.
2021.
They play a lot of fucking GNR.
Of this year.
I know. I saw that.
I was like, for me, I was like, man, I think I'm going to listen to that today at work.
Is that the Love and Thunder thing?
Yeah. I started to watch it, but I was falling asleep, and I was like, all right, I'm just turning it off. I was just so tired last night, but just woke up every hour.
Dude, I do that shit too, man, lately. I don't know why.
I don't know. As you get older,
$17 for a 12-ounce? Jesus.
Well, with me, the older I get, you get these weird sleep schedules. And they rotate every 2 weeks or a month.
Looney, I think Looney was talking about the beers at the venue.
Sounds about
Oh,
right.
yeah, they're stupid expensive.
I'll be right back.
I want to go to a game at, is it the Mets Stadium? Where they made all the prices like normal prices? So people actually come and they don't have to worry about getting raped.
Presenting today at the Wells Fargo.
When I used to go to our stadium here, it was pretty cool. When I
that's Charlie Sandy, India.
Because Mueller, it's a beer distributor, major distributor here. I used to sell a lot of their beer, and I'd go down to the stadium, and they would always give me a bunch of free beers because they knew who I am. But I'm not really part of that scene anymore. Yeah, the old bar I managed went through insane amount of PBR. 125 cases a week, and we were only open for 4 hours.
You know, when we went to
Spy back
Metallica,
to
we
the
didn't have the free
hides.
drinks. And We just freaking pre-gamed it hardcore in the parking lot.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people do. And then you just like get like 1 or 2
Get
beers.
one
maybe.
drink there,
Yeah.
you know, and just freaking drink a shit ton on the parking lot.
Well, that's what we used to do in the suburbs before I moved to Philly. Because, you know, being poor when you're like, you know, 21 years old and shit, we would pregame at home and then get like 1 or 2 drinks just to keep the buzz going.
Yeah, that's the way to do it, man. It's just too expensive any other way.
Well, here in Philly, I know I'll usually if I go to a show, I'm guaranteed to know one of the bartenders. Because pretty much in Philly, the ultimate goal as a bartender is work at the music venues. So most of them are pretty old timer bartenders that I usually know.
What are you watching, Tim?
None at the moment. I
CHPT.
mean, I'm watching this Ruby, but I got a feeling we're gonna run out of shares.
Ruby prob run out of shares. If still in Ruby, keep an eye on shares. Pretty grindy. Face blowing a kiss.
Ruby, 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 Soho. Well, Paloonie, I will probably be there, and we will probably not see each other because I won't know who or where you
Thanks
are.
for the observations, fellows.
Well, I mean, there's
At the
always a
Motley Crue concert?
possibility you could exchange information.
We could do that. We could do that. But I'll tell you what I look like. I'll be like the 30-ish-year-old white guy there. So I'm sure there will not be a lot of 40-something-year-old white guys at Motley Crue.
Look for a white guy with no hair and a
Oh no, you gotta look for the hat, the
And a
gay floppy
scraggly-
hat thing that he's wearing.
yeah.
I'll probably have my
Look like he
baseball
hasn't
cap on
shaved in a
backwards. I will be unshaven. I have tattoos. There will not be a lot of tattooed white
This is
guys.
describing 3/4 of the 90% of the people there. Yeah, I'm the guy with a beard and tattoos. With my hat backwards.
At a Motley Crue concert. Good luck.
Probably never going to be able to find me now.
I don't know if I'd want to meet up at a concert. I mean, if I ran into somebody, that's fine, but it's just so loud. I'd rather meet up
Yeah,
at a
it's a tough
bar and then
one.
there's, have a couple drinks and chat. Bullshit, make fun of everybody.
It's already getting slow.
CHPT is still kind of interesting to me. I just want it to go higher. Like, no.
Yeah, I mean, look at Run. This is exactly this. They're doing the exact same shit they did that day. They grinded me to oblivion.
CHPT and Run.
Yeah. Charts are almost identical. CHPT had a little bit of a bigger pullback when it did, but
Yeah, Run's actually over its previous highs, where CHPT is not.
well, this is exactly what it did when I was in it. Because remember, I stopped out a Run, but I hung in CHPT because it never went to high day.
I gotcha. Ruby, 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 Soho. Motley Crue, man. All these guys have got to be so old.
Well, it's the old plus the highly consumption of drugs.
I know, right?
Is the guitar theme still alive?
For Motley Crue?
Yeah. Didn't he have a lot of fucking weird bone issues or something?
I don't know. They're all still alive.
Yeah, Mick Mars, I thought he had health issues. Yeah. Yeah, he had that weird arthritis that affects his spine.
Oh, well.
Yeah, he always had a hard time sitting and standing for long periods of time.
Yeah, it's still alive. I went to school with a girl that was Nikki Sixx's daughter from like a one night stand from a groupie. I mean, honestly, like he's not a total douche because he did keep in contact with her, like till this day, which may not have been good for her. But
What, Nikki Sixx?
Nikki Sixx keeps in contact with her, yeah. So he's not a total douchebag. He knocked up her mom, but didn't just not talk to her, you know.
You get that feeling he's kind of a caring dude, but just from being famous for so long, he's gotten a little bad things going on. But
That girl had problems though. Like she did some crazy shit in life, I think, because of
go
that
figure.
connection.
What, her mom just has a one night stand with a groupie or whatever.
And her dad is Nikki Sixx. So,
like
man,
you're not going to be on the fucking wild side.
She was associated with some wild people, like famous wild people, but now she seems like she's all clean, but kind of washed up. Oh yeah. She may have had some heroin issues. Good lord, look at all these charts. Lift, PDD, ASAN. I mean, CHPT is grinding higher, Snap. They all look the fucking same. I wants to test that 40130. At this point, we're gonna. I am stuck.
Ruby dollar. CZOO dollar and out all.
DAL, Delta Airlines, says CEO says travel remains strong. We expect to report another solidly profitable quarter. In October, we're on track to be meaningfully profitable for the year. Looking forward to
CCJ's
a
moving.
return to profit sharing in February. That from the Delta CEO, Delta Alpha Lima, DAL.
CCJ up.
Shares of Delta right now off the highs at 32.13, down 10 cents.
You missed.
Would have won more out of that anyway.
Needs to go.
75. Good pop.
And 75 is actually spot on the daily.
APRN starting to go a little bit. A little too jumpy though. Needs a nice big push.
We still got no shares on that one. Justin, are you here? When are you putting out your video? I want to go watch it. See it.
CJ might get there.
Are you looking at CCJ on your little squiggly line chart, Vesh?
UEC up, 4.50 plus go.
I mean, yeah, it's not even halfway to the first red line. It's just grinding. Yeah, it's just grindy.
Yeah.
Book map first real line is at 31. It just went through a decent one at 30.20, which is where all that volume came in.
SWAV, Shockwave Medical, shares at off the highs now, 298.66 up 4%. Hearing a reporter story mention that Johnson & Johnson could be a potential buyer for the company. That's Cindy Whiskey Alpha Victor.
I need a better market, guys. That's what I need.
Start doing something.
What's that?
Upstart. A little bit. Gonna be up over 27 in a second. Maybe.
Nothing for me, man. Oh.
$27.15. Starting to drop. Wasn't for me.
There's no reason to start CCJ.
No, not at all.
Yeah, this is pretty shitty. Are you back to trusts and trades now, Thomas? Good talk.
His boss has been coming in.
Oh no, I heard. Parlay, Pixie, AMLX. No. just need this market to be a little spicier.
Why is it 400?
Let's go into that 40.
So
Gonna go to that magical number, man. I'm telling you. 401.30ish at least. This
Wait,
point,
but,
why not?
Releasing at 11.
Honestly, if it breaks through there, that's a nice little double bottom.
Refresh. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Refresh.
My boy
Refresh.
DT better get his trading
Refresh.
pants on.
It's not showing.
If this buy breaks through that previous resistance area, that 401.30,
Refresh.
401.50.
Nothing.
Gasoline inventories,
You're a liar.
333,000.
Off
plus
of a double
333,000, that
bottom.
versus a draw
That
of
might be
1.667.
It's not
And
working.
bottom.
Crude inventories, a build of 8.844 million versus a draw
Lied
of
to me.
250,000.
Lied
Ruby
to me.
LNT.
Distillates, a build
Lied
of
to me.
95,000 versus a build of 530,000
Even-
expected.
Went to your
I kind of think we did. I think we put a
actual
bottom in
channel
on
and
this
it's not there.
spot. For now.
What do you mean by bottom when it's at the top?
Down here where we retested the, I'll post it.
390 is the big turning point.
You can, yeah, it's 390-ish, 390.15. Let's see where we literally double bottom down there.
Nah,
crude is dipping here now.
no, it's not public.
402 is actually 42.
I don't see it.
I got 401.30, but
Going to
So it goes
just
either
above
way. Let's
$82.
see.
Still trading up for the
I
day,
mean,
75
that
cents.
looks like a little double bottom, forming like a W pattern. Head back up.
Yeah. Well, bears are still in control, so
For now. We'll be to the knot.
it's got to show proof above 402.
Dude, we really got to get above like 426 to get rid of the bears.
Yeah, it just depends on how
I'll be right back.
SPY is still range bound. They're fighting between those two
Oh,
ranges.
there it is.
What's up, everybody? After over a year now here in the new office at the new house with the new setup, I'm finally going to show you guys what I've been trading on, the full setup, the full ops tour here for the last year, and then
No,
I'm gonna
you
break it all
should
down.
break
and make it
above
easier. All right, so
401.30
that's
or
what you guys
below
just saw in the intro, so
490.
So this is actually
Kind of been
the
my
entrance to my master
consensus,
bedroom.
but I don't know
But as you
what
can
it's
see,
gonna
it is
do.
now being used solely
Till it
as my
does
trading
one
and
or the
future
other.
office. So let's just break it down as we go.
Pretty
On the
much
left,
is what
I've
I'm
got the
saying.
green screen up against
There's
the wall,
two
which I've
sets
only
of
really used once or
numbers,
twice since I've been
and
in
it's
here.
just kind
But
of
that takes me over to the
doing
first
its
part of the setup
thing.
here. So I've got lights to illuminate the green screen, a camera up here
This
to
is why I
record,
said
the
if
mic
it
to record
breaks
when you want
above
to stand
the
in front of it. So
top
that's on the
one,
back side of
you
the
gotta
setup
get
here,
your
facing towards the green
trading
screen.
hat
Like I said, I
on.
haven't really even
You
used.
see my
Back on this side, you can see the back side. I'll just go through real quick. One of the cool things I think is my PC is down here. I've got behind these sliding
That might
Still
give
could be
you
a
some
few months away.
towels, just so it covers everything up and still makes it so it's
You
able to
think
breathe
so?
there pretty well, but doesn't look bad. So let's get into the
I
most
don't
main
think it'll
stuff.
be that
So
long.
you guys see
It
this
all
that
depends
chair,
on
which
who
I've been
you
using.
listen
It's really
to.
nice, really comfortable. Let's get into the stuff. You got to see in the background with the signs, the RGB, all that good stuff. But what you haven't seen is my point of view. Which I'm not gonna lie, it's already a pretty awesome setup here. Got the 4K monitor and then 3 extra monitors. This is the one that I do all of my main trading on currently. I have my scanners and Discord here, other charts and recording stuff going on up on that screen. So we got a bunch of stuff
Where
here. We've
is
got
it?
the loop deck, we've got the mic, we've got a bunch of controllers and stuff going around. But that is pretty much what the setup is currently in a nutshell. So can't lie, it's a pretty awesome setup for
I
what it
think
is.
we can
For
hit
Where's
what I need
the
to do.
screen?
I need time to break it down and come up with something completely new. And you're gonna see why right now. I bought a thing.
It's a buck away now. I might hit it in the next
You guys
10
think it's
minutes, dude, if it keeps doing this.
It's freaking massive.
That's what she said. God, look how curved that is. That's crazy.
We got a brand new monitor
PMY,
in here.
Bristol
Let's check it out.
Myers Squibb getting a pop here on some volume. Rubble mic.
Oh yeah, it's white though. They didn't have black. I guess they don't make that one black.
What the
That's crazy, dude.
fuck?
It's like 2 of your old
That's not what he
screens.
said.
That's awesome.
PMI.
I love it.
NY up. Huge co.
Should have totally loaded up your trading stuff, by the way.
I am not wearing
All right, so hopefully you guys
pants.
enjoyed the look
Bracket,
into my
I am
day
wearing
trading setup, the
shorts.
ultimate day trading setup now. I just had it if you're wondering what this insane monitor is. It's the Samsung Odyssey G9. It's 49 inches and it's got the gigantic 1100R curve, whatever it is. So this thing is an absolute beast that I'm looking at. I still got my other three monitors that you saw over here on my right, and now this is going to be kind of the new view from the camera that you're going to be getting. So
Sweat shorts.
You definitely made me want to make sure I get
so much more trading
what
stuff
I
over my face than
have
had
always
before.
wanted,
Like,
which is the
one monitor,
249
I'm
inches,
gonna be comfortable.
right above one above the other.
I can kind of do that
I have-
seamlessly and be able
I
to see
have
all of them
not
so I
owned
can
a
trade
pair
more than
of
once. So that was why I
sweatpants
ultimately decided to go ahead and spend money on this and buy it. Came out to about $1,200. So this monitor, if you were wondering. So
I
quite
got
expensive,
back
but
into
it's
the
insane,
sweatpants life.
cool, and amazing already. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the look inside of my day trading setup here on the channel or YouTube for day
I
trading.
think
I'm probably
over
gonna play games on this
COVID,
as well.
it kind
If you did,
of
make sure you hit like and subscribe. Let me know
pulled
what
me
you guys
back.
are
I
buying.
did. I
I
used to
have
be
Down in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next
Sweat.
video.
They're not made out of sweat type material, but they are.
Good shit, man. It
that
looks
style.
nice. Getting
Bro, I
some
used
set
to
up with
put
the monitor on
jeans
so
on every
gotcha,
day to
gotcha, gotcha.
trade.
They're very comfortable pajama
Bristol
bottom
Myers,
type
no
stuff.
news as of yet on
But they're
Bristol Myers
black.
Company is
All right,
presenting
well,
their
hit the like button on the way out, guys. I'm actually gonna get out of here. I'll be in the Discord,
wear 'em now.
so if you want to
That's
come
the
hang
other
out in there, feel free. Links down
I'm
below,
wearing shorts.
and
I
we'll
hate
be in
wearing
there.
shorts, dude. This
Appreciate
is
you
my
being here. I'll
first
be here
year that I've worn
tomorrow.
shorts
Because
and
for some reason yesterday I thought it was
swimming.
Thursday, which would mean today's Friday, but it's
I don't know
not.
what's
It's actually
happened, dude. I
Thursday.
hit
So
44
I will
and
see
I'm
you
like, I
guys
need
tomorrow
fucking
morning.
shorts
Funny
on.
you
And
said that because
yeah, peace out.
over the other weekend when I was with all my friends at this picnic, we were joking that I never used to wear shorts. I mean, I'd wear them around the house, but I'd never really go out in them. There's just not a lot of options for male shorts. You know, to pull off like